The Fox, the Monkey, and the Jungle Election, a lesson in fair play. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, vibrant jungle, an important event was about to unfold, the great jungle election. All the animals gathered, eager to cast their votes for the candidate they believed would lead them wisely. The two main contenders were Fox, known for his cunning and quick thinking, and Monkey, famed for his agility and charisma. As the day of the election approached, the jungle buzzed with excitement and anticipation. Fox, being the shrewd creature he was, decided to play a clever game. He knew that Monkey was popular among the animals, so he devised a plan to sway the voters in his favor. Fox spread rumors about Monkey, painting him as unreliable and frivolous. He hoped this would tarnish Monkey's reputation and convince the animals to vote for him instead. Monkey, on the other hand, focused on spreading positivity and hope. He shared his visions of a harmonious jungle where every animal would thrive together. Monkey believed in the power of unity and inclusivity, and he worked tirelessly to inspire his fellow creatures. The day of the election arrived, and the jungle was abuzz with activity. Animals of all shapes and sizes gathered around the voting booth, eager to make their voices heard. Fox watched closely, confident that his cunning plan had worked. When it was Fox's turn to vote, he slyly cast his vote for himself, even though deep down he knew Monkey was the better choice. He couldn't resist the temptation to gain power at the expense of honesty. As the votes were counted, it became clear that Monkey had won by a landslide. His message of unity and hope had resonated with the majority of the jungle's inhabitants. The animals cheered and celebrated, knowing they had chosen a leader who would guide them towards a brighter future. When Fox saw the results, he felt a pang of regret. He realized that his deceitful tactics had not only failed but had also damaged his reputation among the animals. They saw through his cunning ways and valued honesty and integrity above all. The moral of this story is that dishonesty and deceit may provide short-term gains, but in the end they lead to a loss of trust and respect. It is always better to choose honesty and fairness, even if it means accepting defeat gracefully. Moral of the story teaches us the importance of integrity and honesty in any competition or election. It reminds us that true leaders are those who inspire trust and unity, rather than resorting to deceitful tactics.